deep down in the ocean blue, lives a round-headed critter, proud and true. Sees strangers, hides behind a rock, gets noticed, poof, turns into a balloon in shock. Usually tiny, round, and sweet, but poke it once and it puffs up like a beach tree. That is right, it is the pufferfish. Spiky head, super shy, and when it gets embarrassed, it blows up sky high. Here's the thing. I am not fast. I am not flashy. I do not have shark teeth or octopus ink or electric zaps. But I do have the art of balloon foo. When I sense danger, I puff up like a beach ball at a panic party. I suck in water or air if I am stuck on land, yikes, and suddenly I triple in size. Predators freak out. They cannot swallow me, cannot bite me, cannot even figure out what I am anymore. And if that is not enough, I have got spikes. Soft when I am calm, but sharp when I am puffed. Imagine trying to eat a spiky basketball? Yeah, did not think so. But real talk, puffing is exhausting. It takes all my energy. I cannot steer properly, I look ridiculous, so I only do it when things get really serious. Like, help, that grouper is giving me the stink eye. Serious. Okay, real talk number 2, I am not just puffy, I am poisonous. Yep. Many of us puffers carry a deadly toxin called tetrodotoxin. It is stronger than cyanide, over 1,000 times stronger. How dangerous am I? Let's put it this way, one of me could knock out 30 humans. Please do not try. But hey, do not panic, I am not running around zapping people. The toxin stays in my organs and sometimes my skin. It is my backup plan if the puff and spike routine does not scare predators off. Spoiler, it usually does. In Japan, humans eat a dish called fugu, that is me, sliced very carefully by highly trained chefs. One wrong cut and, well, let's just say nobody gets dessert. We puffers do not make this toxin ourselves, by the way. We get it from the bacteria in our food. So yeah, I am technically poisonous because of my diet. Thanks, toxic snacks. I am not the only pufferfish out here. There are over 120 of us, cousins of all shapes, sizes, and personalities. Some of us live in the sea, some in rivers, some go back and forth like they just cannot commit. We come in stripes, spots, and every shade from sandy beige to accidental disco ball. You never know what you are gonna get. Oh, and our teeth? Technically not teeth. We have got beaks, like parrots, super useful for crunching through crabs, clams, and snails. Crunch! I love a good shellfish buffet. Also, we are not just cute, we are clever. In aquariums, we can recognize our human caretakers. Some of us even play games and solve puzzles. I have got brains and balloons. Boom! And I can move each eye separately. One eye watches the snack, the other watches the snack thief. Multitasking mastered. Let's talk about my vibe. I do not swim fast. I wobble, I drift, I take my sweet, floaty time. And I own it. Do I look surprised all the time? Yes. Do I sometimes forget where I was going mid-swim? Also yes. But with my patterns, my puff, and my unbeatable attitude, I am basically the reef's slowest moving fashion icon. And have you seen our eggs? Some species lay floating eggs that sparkle on the surface like little ocean lanterns. Baby me started life looking like a magic bubble. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and before I go, did I mention my weird hobbies? Some puffers like to dig a little craters in the sand. Yep, we make underwater crop circles. In fact, there is a tiny species in Japan that creates perfect geometric sand art to impress the ladies. We are talking swirls, patterns, little valleys. Move over, Picasso. And then there is bubble blowing. Not like humans with gum, but real, gentle bubble streams. Sometimes just because it feels nice. Other times to confuse predators or show off in front of friends. We are pretty chill like that. Also, we blink. That is rare for fish, by the way. Our eyes are so expressive, it is like watching a cartoon in real life. When I squint, I mean business. When I widen my eyes, it is probably snack time. Here is the deal. I am not fast, I am not fierce, but I am inflatable, poisonous, and weirdly charming. I have turned being awkward and slow into a survival strategy. I have got a beak, I have got bacteria-based poison, and I have got the element of surprise. No cape, no claws, no drama, just good old-fashioned puff and bluff. So next time you see a weird wobbly little fish with big eyes and a balloon belly, do not laugh too hard. That is probably me. And I just might be the most brilliantly bonkers fish in the entire ocean.